Hi, I'm Steve Bousquet, and today we're unboxing our steel green spreader sprayer. I'm not sure which model they sent us this to try it out. It's a demo, and we're going to unbox it, and then we're going to go over a few items and a few of the features, and we're going to put it out in the field and give you guys a review on the machine and what we like about it, what we found out the improvements were from the initial machine that we had years ago. So back in 2018. So here goes. That is a nice job of the packing. Wow. All right. So it is an SG46. So an SG46 has headlamps on it. So it looks like it's the steel green 46-inch wide. It's got a huge hopper. That's over 200 pounds of material. It's got the fold-out spray nozzles. Wow. The tires are nice and big on the rear of the machine. Looks like it's got a fertilizer, couple fertilizer holders on the back of the machine. Pretty nice looking machine. Wow. Fuel tanks right up front. Fuel tank's clear so you can see how much fuel you have. It's got huge tanks to hold whatever you're spraying. Kick it up.
That's good. It's got a hydro lock.
Yeah, it has an actual brake. Yep.